Hi, my name is Chris Turner. I'm the owner of Radical Transformation and also the course facilitator for the Lean Transformation training courses that are available through this website. In this short video, I would like to give an overview of Step 3, Workplace Organization, and why it's critical and why it's in the 10-step training and implementation model. Step 3, Workplace Organization, is really a combination of two different processes. One is 5S and the second is visual controls or visual management. The purpose of 5S is to reorganize the work area or the workstation or the department and get rid of everything you don't need and only have available what you do need to do the work that you're doing currently. Once tomorrow it may be a completely different product or service and you may need a different set of tools, so you bring those into the work area as and when you need them. But the idea of 5S is to sort out the necessary from the unnecessary, to set in order, that's to put everything in designated locations, and then to shine, which is cleaning and inspecting through cleaning, and then to standardize, to make it a daily habit, and then to sustain that through things like 5S audits and whatever is needed in order to be able to sustain your 5S system over the long term. The other part of it is the visual controls. This is where we start to use visual indicators to give us an immediate feedback when something is not working the way that it should be. And so this is the difference between normal behavior and abnormal behavior. The idea of these visual tools is to give us the feedback at a glance that something is not right and that we need to take care of it. So that's one of the key things about workplace organization and why it's important. If you cannot implement a robust 5S system within any organization, I always advise people, forget Lean, because you don't have the internal discipline to be able to implement the other tools. And also your 5S system is a direct reflection of your management's commitment to Lean and Lean transformation. So some people don't like it when I say that, but that's the truth, and that's really what it's all about. 5S is the foundation upon which all other tools are built upon and processes are built upon. So if you have a weak 5S system, you're going to end up having a weak Lean transformation system. So it's important to really get this working in the right way. So hopefully this is helping you to get an overview and understanding of the Step 3 Workplace Organization. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully one day I'll see you inside one of my Lean transformation courses. I look forward to that. Until then, take care and thank you again.